Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I want to take a look at this Roccat Kain mouse. So this is a wired gaming mouse. It is the Kain 120 AIMO RGB PC gaming mouse. So right now this is on Amazon for $49.99 with a deal. It runs normally $69.99. And yeah, so this is a wired gaming mouse, and let's see. So on the front here we've got a nice picture of the mouse here. It does have a little DPI selector. German design and engineering since 2007. On the side here we have a couple little things about it. So 89 grams, so it's lightweight, 16,000 DPI. Owl-Eye sensor is what they call it. 16.8 million colors, so that's the RGB lighting. 50 million click life cycles, and then 34% cable flex. So since this is a wired mouse, on the back here it does say precise, refined, and fluid. And I'll zoom in a little bit more so we can read that. Click faster than the rest. A patented new mechanism unlocks precise and responsive controls. 2 years of rigorous research and testing. The result, a truly impressive shape and exceptional grip and ergonomics. And then fluid, the AIMO illumination ecosystem adds organic light to your setup. It creates vivid, state-of-the-art aesthetic. And then they have all the information here in different languages at the bottom right there. So pretty cool there. And we get this nice picture of the mouse right here. On the other side, it just says Roccat Kain 120 AIMO. On the bottom, we get all this information. So, package contains the mouse itself, quick installation guide, system requirements, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, requires USB 2 or higher, and an internet connection for the driver software. So, and then on the bottom here we have the little tech specs here. So we have a Roccat Owl-Eye 16K sensor, up to 16,000 DPI, 1000 Hertz polling rate, distance control unit, 50G acceleration, ARM Cortex-M 48 MHz, 512 kilobyte onboard memory, 1.8 meter braided USB cable, and Omron switches. So pretty cool there. And then this is made in Germany. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at what we get. So as it said, we get the mouse and the quick installation guide, and I will plug this in to test it out and see what it's like. So we got the handy dandy knife there. We got a little pull tab right here. We should be able to open this up. Made to win. All right, we got the cord popping out right there at the top. Oops, I opened it up backwards, it looks like. Little insert right there. Okay. Quick installation guide. Roccat Kain. Post pics and videos with hashtag Roccat Kain to get featured and enter a monthly giveaway. Let's take a look at this mouse. So interesting how they wrapped the cord around the packaging right there. So this isn't the first time I've unboxed a mouse. Last time I unboxed a mouse, it was a cheap one, but this one is a nice gaming one. So as you can see here, we have this kind of faux stainless steel or metal look in between. Really large roller wheel. Looks like we have the light on either side. And then we have a DPI button, which appears that would light up also. We have the Roccat branding right here on the left click. So that sounds pretty nice. And then we do have their logo right there, and that should light up also. So it does have kind of a nice rubberized coating on the top here. And then on the side, we have two buttons right here. So this doesn't have a lot of buttons for gaming, but should be pretty nice. Here's the front view right there. So we do have a braided cord that comes out. And there's your back right there. And then here's your side. So yeah, so that rubberized coating goes all the way down here, all the way up here. So pretty nice there. And then as it says, it's USB 2. The USB has even got a little logo right there on there. Pretty interesting. Got a little cover for it if you wanted to use that. And then Kain on the bottom. So let's go ahead and plug it in and we'll get some drivers and test it out. All right, and here is the mouse hooked up here. So this is just plug and play, but we're gonna go ahead and get the software, but just to show you where the RGB is. So it looks like it just cycles through. And unfortunately I'm using my iPhone camera, so that might be why the lighting doesn't look very good, but there's a top-up view right there. So in order to find the software for this, I just looked up the product. So I looked up Roccat Kain 120, and then on their website, you can go into their downloads and support right here, and then it does show where it is. So just go to downloads and support, and then just look for it right here. And then we have the software right here, so it's Swarm Driver, and it's 157 megabytes, not too bad. And here's the compatibility right here, so compatible. Okay, and it's downloaded here, so it is a zip file. So let's pop this open here. We have to extract it, so we just hit this and we'll hit extract all, extract it to our downloads folder. And let's see if we can find it. Oh, wrong thing, there we go. All right, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Program right here, as well as this GmbH with all these interesting names. So DevCon and X32, X64, and X86. So that's kind of interesting. We'll go ahead and launch Swarm. All right, please download the module via auto updates. So to use and install this product correctly, please download the Kain 120 AIMO module via the auto updater and install the module. Okay, so no update available, hit that. Install. Okay, wow, all right, so now we have a bunch of options here. So it looks like up at the top we have settings, button assignment, illumination, and advanced settings. On this pinned setting we have the DPI switcher. So not only can you do it here, but you can also switch it with the DPI button right here. And as you can see, as I click it, it's switching between the different options that you have. And you can, looks like you can customize these as you want. So that's pretty nice. Ooh, 400 is pretty bad. So 800 again is the default. You also have Windows pointer speed. You can enable mouse acceleration and display the pointer trails if you want. You get to press apply first. Under right here, we have the illumination settings, and we have game profiles. So you can actually have different profiles with different settings for specific games. So that's pretty nice. You have a profile manager, so you can go in there and edit those. You can even import profiles. So if you previously had a different mouse by them, you can import those as well. So that's kind of nice. Illumination, we have a couple different settings here. Let's see, is this the illumination? No, this is a button set. This is button settings. So this is all your button settings. So you can change your standard buttons and then Shift plus. So you can hit Shift plus a click or Shift plus one of these buttons to add different, enable different features. So that's pretty nice. And where's our illumination? Okay, here's our illumination. So we have intelligent lighting system. So we have our brightness, so you can turn that down or up. And then, well, I guess you have to apply that first. Let's see, let's apply it real quick. All right, so we turn down the brightness a little bit. Still pretty bright. And then state-of-the-art lighting system reacts organically to your behavior without the need for extensive configuration. So I guess you're kind of like, that's about all you can do. So it's just gonna do it by itself. Oh, okay, so we do have a couple of different options. All right, so we have wave. We have fully lit. And then you can have a custom theme, heartbeat. Now what's strange is it doesn't actually preview it on the mouse. So some products actually preview it on the mouse and this one does not. So I guess we'll try and apply it real quick and see if it does it. Okay, there we go. So it doesn't let you preview it on the mouse, you actually have to apply each time. So we'll try this, try the wave and then apply that. All right, so it just waves between the colors and looks like we have different color themes. So you've got orange, blue, a bunch of different gradients there, so that's pretty nice. So we have that button assignment, the illumination, and then under our advanced settings, we have the polling rate. We have our distance control unit, 0 debounce. You can reset your settings to default. You have angle swapping, sound feedback. Okay, so you can have sound feedback based on if you change your DPI, if you switch profiles, that kind of thing, that's nice. And then LED timeout. So you can actually have the mouse go to sleep. So say you put your computer to sleep, it should go to sleep with that. And then here's our driver information right here at the top. So V1.9 9373 firmware 1.13. So yeah, pretty good amount of options here. on this app. So definitely really nice. So anyway, so this has just been a quick look at the AIMO 120, and this is again $49.99 on their website on Amazon right now. So it's on sale, and it's $69.99 normally. So it's a wired gaming mouse. Doesn't have a lot of buttons, but it does seem to work pretty nice. So, and there you go. Just a quick unboxing and a quick look at the software. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.